The Wi-Fi is down. No internet? No problem. They thought, oh, no internet, you can't cheat. You fools, you absolute buffoons. Wanna be a lazy dev? I mean, a cool idle dev. How's it going? Sitting at home, doing nothing? You lazy piece of... Actually, never mind. I'm in the same boat. I have a report on quantum computing due tomorrow. Do I know anything about quantum computing? No. I know it has the word quantum in it, which makes me sound smart at parties. That's about it. But that's why we have AI. I'm just gonna ask Gemini to write the Wait. You have got to be kidding me. The Wi-Fi is down. The ISP is probably doing maintenance again. Wi-Fi is dead, and my GPA is mostly dead.
But I am not a normal student. I'm a paranoid developer who hoards digital tools like a squirrel hoards nuts. Remember the Gemini CLI video? Yeah, that needs the internet too. If you haven't seen it yet, go check it out after this video. It's really interesting and fun tool. But this is Ollama, and it lives on my SSD. Look at that speed. No internet? No problem. It's writing my report while my router is blinking red lights of death. It's actually at its original speed. I haven't sped up the video. But let's skip this quickly. I'm just gonna ask it a few follow-up questions, make it sound like I actually attended the lectures, copy, paste, and done. If you've ever had your internet die right before a deadline, hit the like button. If you haven't, hit the like button anyway. I need the validation.
So what is this magic? This is Ollama. It lets you run massive AI models locally on your own machine, Linux, Mac, and yes, even Windows. Having offline AI is a superpower. True story, Gemma, well, the local version, once helped me in a university test where they blocked the Wi-Fi. They thought, oh, no internet, he can't cheat. You fools, you absolute buffoons. I have the entire collective intelligence of humanity installed in my System 32 folder. Okay, legally I have to say don't cheat, but if you do it with style. Now, before you go downloading everything, we need to have the talk about hardware. You can run almost 80 models listed on Ollama's library, but do not go running the 70B or 405B parameter models unless you own a server farm in your basement. If you try to run a 70 billion parameter model on your poor gaming laptop, it's not going to generate text, it's going to generate heat. It'll turn your desk into a frying pan. For a normal laptop with a decent GPU or even just a good CPU, stick to smaller models with less parameters like Gemma 3.1b, which I will show you in this video, or you can run more advanced models if you have a good system. My advice would be that you should ask Gemini CLI or any AI about which models to choose based on your system, unless you want your laptop to be a frying pan to make an omelet on it.
Okay, how do you get it? The easiest way is the Windows application. You click download, install, and you get a little icon in your tray. It's cute, but I don't use that. I use the Linux version inside WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Why? Because I'm a terminal dude. I have Docker containers running, I have scripts, I like feeling like a hacker. Also, the Windows app installs silently in the background, but with WSL, I control where everything goes. If you're a normal person who values sanity, download the Windows app. If you want to be a lazy dev, a cool idle dev like me, use the terminal command.
Go to the official Ollama website in download section. Copy the Linux command, then paste it in the terminal. Now it's time to download a model which is Gemma 3.1b. You can check out other models and download what you like. Copy the command given in website and download it.
A few moments later.
And it's done. Quite simple, isn't it? Now turn off your Wi-Fi and ask it nasty questions.
See what happens.
And comment it, it'll be fun. That's your homework. In the next video, we're gonna automate some stuff using N8N. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that and such life-saving tech and tools in the future. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next terminal. Video. Exit.